No one's going anywhere because Henry Winkler's here. Lovely to see you.
Thank you. You know, if the Fonz was here, sitting here instead of me, he would say, I want to tell you something, your gams are tucked into, like, gorgeous shoes. I want you to hold them shoes up, babe.
Can you see them? I don't know, there's a camera there.
Can you see these
bright,
orange babes?
They're bright. I think my gams maybe
They
more
are
hams,
fantastic.
Oh, we can't get there. Never mind.
They're a symphony in orange. Now, you've won an OBE. Not many Americans get OBEs from Her Majesty. Will she go, hey?
You know what? I'll tell you something. I'm so honored because I'm one of 4 people outside of Britain that was conferred with the OBE.
And you get in it for your work with children?
Yes, for the work that I have done here with First News newspaper. We have toured for 3 years in a row to schools all over the kingdom and talked to children who learn differently.